eat ice cream. How Zion eat ice cream. Is it yummy? It's yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy.
Coco.
Oh, yogurt.
Baba Coco.
Baba yogurt. Baba yogurt, I'm gonna eat you.
Baba Coco.
The other side naman, the other side.
After that.
The other side. How about the other side? That's too much. Grabe, mual naman yan. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Tatay, can you give water to Zion? We're doing mukbang vlog.
What happened?
Udan.
Hold on. What did you eat?
Udan.
Yogurt.
What
Ice
did you eat?
cream.
Udan.
Drink water.
Drink water. This is how to drink water. Hold on.
Tapos na yung with pits.
Nagmamore pa nga, kaya sabi ko yogurt na lang. Hold on. Bye!
Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.